Teen reportedly found hanging from tree in St. Mary. 6 in custody for brutal beating of 14-year-old in Clarendon. 3 guns seized, 2 arrested in Clarendon raids. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 19-year-old bartender Jamaica Nikki Atherton was reportedly found hanging from a tree near her house on Tuesday, January 2nd. The police have ruled her death a suicide. This was her second attempt. She had tried before. She was seen hanging from a tree and was cut down. She did it again on Tuesday, head of the St. Mary Police Division Superintendent Bobette Morgan Simpson stated. According to police reports, Atherton was at home on Sports Road in Islington when she told her mother and stepfather that she was going outside to do laundry. Her stepfather went in search of her when she failed to return after a few hours. He reportedly discovered her body hanging by a hose from a tree. The police were called and Atherton's body was removed. Ongoing speculation suggests that she was facing financial challenges and relationship problems. A 52-year-old Clarendon woman is among 6 females taken into police custody in connection with the brutal December 30 beating of a 14-year-old girl along Holland Street in Denbigh in the parish. According to the police, a 15-year-old is also among the alleged attackers to be charged in the incident. Police stated that the battered 14-year-old girl, who received several head injuries, remained admitted in serious condition. It is unclear what caused the incident. Detectives from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch on Wednesday seized 3 firearms and arrested 2 men in an operation in Oliver Gardens, Maypen, Clarendon. The operation saw the team conducting raids at 2 locations in the area. Early reports indicate that the operation is a part of a targeted effort to clamp down on illegal firearms and criminal activities in the area. The police stated Wednesday morning that the operation was ongoing and that law enforcement officials were still on the scene. The identities of the individuals in custody have not yet been released. The police stated that the operation is a part of the broader strategy of Jamaica Constabulary Force to address and reduce crime across the nation. Authorities on Wednesday morning urges the public to avoid the areas as the operation continues and to remain vigilant.